Hello everyone, I welcome back you to my YouTube channel Math World. My name is Sayed Nawaz. I'm back with a new video, numerical problem to find the porosity. The question what appears in GATE 2016, we'll use that to find out. So without wasting any time, just see the question. The question is like a core sample with a length of 10 centimeter and a breadth of 4 centimeter and finally with a width of 4 centimeter. And the dry form of the sample weight as 282.4 grams, and the core sample, if when it is saturated 100% with a brine of density 1.1 gram per centimeter cube, then the brine saturated core weight is nothing but 300 grams. And finally, by using these data, we have to find the porosity, right? So by seeing this question, let us understand what we have to find first to calculate the porosity. As you know that porosity formula is nothing but pore volume by bulk volume. So as to find the pore volume, first we have to find the pore weight by using this data, right? So after finding pore weight, finally we have to find the pore volume. Then by using length, breadth and width, we have to find the bulk volume. So finally, if you have pore and bulk volume, then we can find the porosity. So just see how we have to solve this question. So as I said you, the core dimensions are nothing but length, breadth and width, whereas length is 10 centimeter, breadth and width are 4 centimeter. Okay, and the weight of the sample in dry form is nothing but 282.4 grams, and the weight of sample in wet form is 300 grams. So by seeing these two data, you can clearly have an identification that if you subtract the wet form to dry form, then you can finally get the weight of the pore, or the weight of the brine in the sample. And finally, we have the density of the brine as 1.1 gram per centimeter cube. So as I mentioned here, the brine weight you can also mention as the pore weight. So the pore weight, as I mentioned you previously, that how we can find, I'm just subtracting the two dimensions, the weight of wet form minus the weight of dry form. So final answer what I got is 17.6, which is nothing but my pore weight. Okay, and apart from that, if you consider the pore volume, then this formula I derived just from density equal to mass by volume. I just replace the positions of density and volume with each other. Then it comes to pore volume equal to mass by density. So the density is nothing but the density of the brine, which is given in the question as 1.1 gram per centimeter cube, and the mass what we have just find in the previous step, which is nothing but 17.6. So 17.6 upon 1.1 is nothing but 16 centimeter cube. So as you can see that first we have find the pore weight, what I written here as brine weight. Then by using that pore weight, I have just find the pore volume, right? Now I have my pore volume. So for determining porosity, I just need to find the bulk volume. So to find the bulk volume, we have the formula as L into B into W, which is nothing but length into breadth into height. As it is given in the question, these three data, but if radius and length are given in the question, then you can use the formula as pi r square into L, or diameter is given, then pi by 4 into L. Okay, so it depends on data that how we have to calculate the bulk volume. So here it has given, as I mentioned, length, breadth into width. So I just use that dimensions 10 into 4 into 4, which turns to 160 centimeter cube. So finally I have two parameters, which are nothing but pore volume and the bulk volume. Okay, so if you can see here, the final porosity formula is pore volume by bulk volume. I am just simplifying by substituting the value of pore volume and bulk volume. So it is nothing but 16 upon 160. If I just simplify this, then it turns to 0.1. So this 0.1, as he has asked in the question to find the porosity in terms of percentage, right? So I'm just multiplying with 100 with this 0.1. So after multiplying, I'm getting the final answer as 10%. Okay, so as you can see that though it has 3 to 4 steps as he has asked in the GATE exam, but you can see the dimensions are quite definite. Like I mean to say, you won't be getting the porosity as 26.75 or 27.24. And although they won't ask such kind of decimal questions in the gate exam, means such kind of tricky question in the gate exam, because of the time issue, right? So whenever you see the question in the gate exam, just click which formula is going to be used, or just understand the question first. You automatically will get an idea then how to solve it. So I hope you like this video for finding the porosity with a numerical example of gate. So if you like this video, just hit like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll press the bell icon to get a notification of the new video whenever I upload. So thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll meet in next video with new numerical problem. Thank you.